Let's talk Makaton. The Makaton Charity sign of the week is to sleep. To sleep. And this can be done either side. To sleep. To sleep. For more information on how Makaton supports people with communication difficulties, please go to makaton.org/membership.